Jared's definitely someone you have to game plan around. Most of the time you have to double him, and that just creates scramble situations for the other team and open shots for us.
It's really over with for the defender. If you get on Sully's hip, he has a sensor on his butt. You know, he can just back you down.
That's pretty much up to us, you know, how much he impacts this game, but he's a great player, so, you know, he's still going to be involved some way, somehow.
Lob, and Robinson finishes. What a beautiful play.
Emotionally, he's our leader, man. We feed off his energy, and he has the ability to come in the room and make everybody laugh or kind of just bring everybody down just emotionally. We follow his lead.
Thomas Robinson's best trait more than anything else is his motor. When his motor is totally turned up, he goes after every ball.
I want him more usually than my opponent does. I just try to take that attitude while I'm playing. I want to rebound more. I want to get to that loose ball more than he does, and that just pretty much takes over my whole game.